Welcome everyone at TNB Academy. Today I will explore the subject food safety during power outage or food safety during power failure. So power failures can pose a significant risk to food safety, particularly when it's come to the storage of perishable items. Power outage can happen suddenly due to various reasons such as weather emergencies, natural disaster or equipment failure. When the power goes off for long periods of time, harmful bacteria can grow and the food in your refrigerator and freezer may become unsafe to eat. Consuming this food may cause foodborne illnesses. So what are the challenges during the power failures? So challenges of power failure related to food safety. First is the temperature control. Refrigerator and freezer rely only on a constant power supply to maintain temperature that inhibit bacteria growth. A powerful failure can cause temperature to rise, leading to a condition where harmful bacteria can multiply rapidly. Spoilage. Without refrigeration, perishable food like meat, dairy products, and certain fruits and vegetables can spoil quickly, posing a risk of foodborne illnesses if consumed. Uncertainty. During extended power outage, it can be difficult to ascertain the exact duration of outage, the extent of temperature changes in the refrigerator and freezer. The importance of temperature control. Food safety is largely dependent on maintaining proper temperatures. Cold foods need to be kept at or below 4 degrees centigrade to prevent bacterial growth. Frozen food should be kept at -18 degrees centigrade or below. When power fails, these temperatures can rise, creating conditions where bacteria can multiply rapidly. Now, risk associated with the power failure. Temperature increase. Without power, refrigerator and freezer cannot maintain their cold temperature. As a result, perishable foods such as meat, dairy and leftover can quickly enter the danger zone between 5 degrees centigrade and 60 degrees centigrade, where bacteria grow most rapidly. Prolonged exposure. The longer the power is out, the higher the risk that food temperature will rise to unsafe levels. After about 4 hours without power, refrigerated food is at risk, while frozen food can last longer but will eventually thaw. Bacterial growth. Harmful bacteria such as Salmonella, E. coli and Listeria can multiply quickly in perishable food left at unsafe temperatures, increasing the risk of foodborne illnesses. Guidelines for maintaining food safety during a power failure. So these are the preparation we have to do before a power failure. Emergency plan. Develop a plan for food storage during power outage, including knowing where to obtain dry ice or block ice. Stock up. Keep an inventory of non-perishable food that do not require refrigeration. Thermometer. Ensure that appliance thermometer are placed in both the refrigerator and freezer to monitor temperatures accurately. Action during a power failure. So what are the action we have to take during a power failure? First, keep doors closed. Minimize opening the refrigerator and freezer doors to retain the cold air as long as possible. A refrigerator can keep food cold for about 4 hours if unopened. A full freezer can maintain its temperature for approximately 48 hours, 24 hours if half full, if the door remains closed. Use ice. Place ice packs or bags of ice in the refrigerator and freezer to help maintain cold temperature. Dry ice or block ice can be used in the freezer to keep it cold. Alternative storage. If available, use coolers with ice for highly perishable items like dairy products, meats and seafood. So what we have to do after power is restored? Check temperature. Immediately check the internal temperature of the refrigerator and freezer. Refrigerated food should be at or below 4 degrees centigrade and frozen food should be at or below -18 degrees centigrade. Then assess the food safety. First, for refrigerated food, if the refrigerator was above 5 degrees centigrade for more than 2 hours, discard perishable items such as meat, poultry, seafood, eggs and leftover. Frozen food. Food that still contains ice crystals or is at 4 degrees centigrade or below can be safely used. But when in doubt, throw it out. If there is any uncertainty about the safety of food item, it is safer to discard it to avoid the risk of foodborne illnesses. During the power failure, what are the impact on different food types? Refrigerated foods, milk, eggs, meat, poultry, seafood and leftover are particularly susceptible to spoilage. Frozen food items like meats and prepared meals can partially thaw and defreeze, but it fully thaw and above 4 or 5 degrees centigrade for over 2 hours, then should be discarded. So finally, conclusion. Maintaining food safety during a power failure is critical to prevent foodborne illnesses. The key to ensuring food safety lies in proper preparation, vigilant temperature monitoring, and timely action. Before a power failure, ensure you have a appliance thermometer, ice packs, and non-perishable foods. During the outage, minimize opening refrigerator and freezer doors. Use ice to keep temperatures low and monitor food temperature closely. After power is restored, check the appliance temperatures and assess the safety of perishable and frozen food. Discarding any item that have exposed to unsafe temperature for too long. By adhering to these guidelines, you can effectively manage the risk associated with power failures and protect yourself and your family from potential health hazards. Remember, when in doubt, throw it out to ensure safety first. So thank you for watching video. Please do share this video to your friends also.